Welcome to Sadbhavna News and I am Poonam Sharma.
Go Fashion IPO opens for subscription today and it will remain open for bidding till 22nd November 2021. So those who want to apply for the public issue worth rupees 1013.61 crore are busy scanning balance sheet of the company to find out details related to its financials. For such potential bidders, there is a piece of good news. As per market observers, Go Fashion shares are trading at a premium of rupees 560 in the grey market today, which is rupees 30 up from its yesterday's premium. As mentioned above, Go Fashion IPO GMP, that is grey market premium, today is rupees 560, which is rupees 30 higher from its. As mentioned above, Go Fashion IPO GMP today is rupees 560, which is rupees 30 higher from its yesterday's GMP of rupees 530. On Monday, Go Fashion IPO GMP had jumped from rupees 430 to rupees 530, logging rupees 100 rise in its share price in the grey market. Market observers believe that such rise in Go Fashion IPO grey market premium may lead to robust response from the bidders, as some section of the IPO bidders take grey market numbers quite seriously. Advising bidders to look at companies' financials instead of grey market premium, Avinash Gorakshar. Advising bidders to look at company financials instead of grey market premium, Avinash Gorakshar, head of research at Profit Mart Securities, said grey market premium is not a guarantee for listing gain, so one should look at the financials of the company. The public issue is almost OFS in nature, that is, out of rupees 1013.61 crore, only rupees 125 will come from fresh issues, and the valuations of the issues is also higher. One can expect some bullish trend in the issue due to recent buzz in textile sector, so bidders are advised to go by the balance sheet of the company very minutely rather relying on the GMP.
For arthroscopy and sports injuries.